Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. So, this is revision lesson number 5. So, the lesson name is matter. Okay, children. So, this is revision for you. Okay, children. So, children, I think already you have completed the class work. Okay, children. So, if you have not completed the class work, see this video and complete the class work. So, if you have already finished the class work, please practice in a rough note. Okay, children. Now, I am going to read the revisions. Lesson number 5. The lesson name is matter. First one, onwards. First one, atoms. ATOMS, atoms. Second one, invisible. INVISIBLE, invisible. Third one, solute. SOLUTE, solute. Fourth one, mixture. MIXTURE, mixture. Fifth one, molecules. MOLECULES, molecules. Sixth one, solvent. SOLVENT, solvent. Seventh one, components. COMPONENTS, components. Eighth one, freezing. FREEZING, freezing. Ninth one, condensation. CONDENSATION, condensation. Tenth one, melting. MELTING, melting. 11th one, organic. ORGANIC, organic. 12th one, dissolve. DISSOLVE, dissolve. 13th one, homogeneous. HOMOGENEOUS, homogeneous. 14th one, solution. SOLUTION, solution. 15th one, rocks. ROCKS, rocks. Okay, children. So these are the hard words. Once again, I am going to repeat that one. First one, atom. Second one, invisible. Third one, solute. Fourth one, mixture. Fifth one, molecules. Sixth one, solvent. Seventh one, components. Eighth one, freezing. Ninth one, condensation. 10th one, melting. 11th one, organic. 12th one, dissolve. 13th one, homogeneous. 14th one, solution. 15th one, rocks. Okay, children. Now, next main, answer the following questions. What is matter? Matter is everything around you. Matter is composed of atoms and molecules. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. If you are new to the idea of mass, it is amount of stuff in an object. MATTER, matter. ISES, EVERYTHING, everything. AROUND, around. YOU, MATTER, matter. ISES, COMPOSED, composed. OF, ATOMS, atoms. and MOLECULES, molecules. MATTER, matter. ISES, ANYTHING, anything. THAT, dirt. HIS, has. MASS, mass. and TAKES, takes. UP, up. SPACE, space. IF, YOU, ARER, NEW, TO2, TH, the. IDEA, idea. OF, MASS, mass. IT, it. ISES, TH, the. AMOUNT, amount. OF, STUFF, stuff. IN, and OBJECT, object. Second one, define. A, solute. B, solvent. C, solution. So answer solute, solute is solute. Substance which is dissolvable is called solute. Sub, Stance is substance. WHICH which IS is DISSOLVABLE dissolvable. IS is CALLED called SOLUTE is solute. Next is solvent, SOLVENT solvent. Substance in which a solute dissolves is called solvent. SUBSTANCE is substance. IN in WHICH which SOLUT is solute. DISSOLVES dissolves. ISCCALLED called SOLVENT is solvent. Next is solution. Homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called a solution. SOLUTION solution. HOMOGENEOUS homogeneous. MIXTURE mixture. OF of TWO2 ORR MORE more. COMPONENTS components. ISCs CALLED called SOLUTION solution. Next, third one, name the gases that dissolves in water. Answer, carbon dioxide dissolves in water. CARBON DIOXIDE carbon dioxide. DISSOLVES dissolves. IN WATE or water. Carbon dioxide dissolves in water. Next, fourth one, what are the three different states of matter? Define. Answer, the three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. THREE 3 STATES states. OF of MATTE or matter or SOLID solid, LIQUID liquid, and GAS gas. Fifth one, name some insoluble impurities in water. Answer, sand, rocks and organic matter. Second is sand, ROCKS rocks, and ORGANIC organic, MATTE or matter. Sixth one, explain the change of state of matter. Answer, everything in the world is made of matter. Walls are made of matter, milk is made of matter, and even air is made of matter. Matter comes in three different states. EVERYTHING everything. IN in THE WORLD world. IS is MADE made. OF of MATTE or matter. WALLS walls. AR or MADE made. OF of MATTE or matter. MILK milk. IS is MADE made. OF of MATTE or matter. And EVEN even. AIR air. IS is MADE made. OF of MATTE or matter. MATTE or matter. COMES comes. IN in 3. DIFFE or AND different. STATES states. Next is changes in state of matter. So they are given three columns here. First column start from, second column change to, third column name. So in first column solid. So change to is liquid. So the name is melting. SOLID solid, LIQUID liquid, MELTING melting. Next in the second line, start from liquid. So it will change to solid and the name is freezing. So in the third line, again liquid, it will change to gas and the name is boiling. Next fourth line, start from is gas and it will change to liquid and the name is condensation. LIQUID liquid, GAS gas, BOILING boiling. LIQUID liquid, SOLID is solid, FREEZING freezing. GAS gas, LIQUID liquid, CONDENSATION condensation. Okay, children. So these are the changes in state of matter. Next is fill in the blanks. First one, solid, liquid and gas are the three dash. So in the dash you must write states of matter. STATE states, OF of MATTER matter. Second one, the major components are called dash. So in the dash you must write solvent. SOLVENT solvent. Third one, the minor components are called dash. So in the dash you must write solute. SOLUTE solute. Fourth one, air is a gas and like air most gases are dash. So in the dash you must write invisible. INVISIBLE invisible. Next fifth one, dash are usually insoluble in water. So in the dash you must write oils. OILS oils. Next sixth one, liquids have no dash. So in the dash you must write shape. SHAPE shape. Next main, write yes or no. First one, solids and liquids have definite volumes. Yes. Why yes? Yes. Second one, gases and liquids have definite shapes. In the bracket you must write no, N1 no. Third one, cold milkshake is a thick liquid. So in the bracket you must write yes, yes. Next fourth one, water is not an excellent solvent. So in the bracket you must write no, N1 no. Fifth one, apple juice is a thin liquid. So in the bracket you write yes, yes. So sixth one, mixture of oil and water shaken is called suspension. So in the bracket you write yes, yes. Next main, make list of 10 materials used at home. Group them as solids and liquids. So they are given here two columns. First column is solid and second column is liquid. So for first solids I will say, so solids, for example of solids are book, BOOK book, table, TABLE table, chair, CHAIR chair, brick, BRICK brick, computer, COMPUTER computer, pencil, PENCIL, so pencil. So these are all solids. Even you can write desk, stone and all. So that are also solid. Next is liquids. So which will be like a water type. So for example for liquids are water, WATE or water, oil, OIL oil, juice, JUICE juice, soup, SOUP soup, milk, MILK milk, wine, WINE wine. So these are all liquids. Liquids means it will flow easily. If you pour from up, it will flow easily. But solids, it is very hard. Okay, children? So these are the difference between solids and liquids. For example of solids and liquids. Solids, book, table, chair, bench, brick, computer, pencil, desk, chalk piece box, chalk piece, etc. For liquids, water, oil, juice, soup, milk, wine. Okay, children. So these are the examples for solids. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this revision. So if any doubt is there, you please ask me. And once again I am saying you that if you have already completed your classwork, practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times. If you have not completed your classwork, see this video and complete your classwork. Okay, children? Thank you, children.